Ipinanganak sa Subic, Zambales ang ating bida ngayon mga bossing. Isang Filipino-American professional boxer na si Larry Ibarra. Bago pa man ito nag-migrate sa Dubai, nakapagtala ito ng iilang mga laban dito sa Pilipinas. Kasama ang iilan nating mga boksingerong Pinoy, sabay-sabay na umusbong at nasilayan ang pagsikat na oportunidad sa larangan ng boxing. Ginanap ang pro debut fight ni Larry Ibarra sa Barangay Ramon Magsaysay Covered Court sa Quezon City sa Manila. Noong taong 2019, nakaharap nito ang mabagsik na boksingero ng bansang Ghana na si Albert Comey. At dito nga mga bossing, sa bagsik ng dugong nananalaytay sa kaugatan ng Pinoy, nagawa nitong tapusin ang kalaban sa loob lamang ng round 1. Ginanap ang kanilang laban sa sariling baluarte ng kalaban sa Bukom Boxing Arena, Accra sa bansang Ghana. Ang laban na ito mga bossing ay isa lamang 6-round fight. Ang Amerikanong may dugong Pinoy mga bossing na si Larry Ibarra ay may kartadang 6 na panalo, may 3 talo, may 1 tabla at 5 dito ay tinapos by knockout. Samantala ang pambato ng Ghana naman na si Albert Comey ay may kartadang 5 panalo, may 5 talo at 4 dito ay tinapos by knockout. Huwag na natin patagalin to mga bossing, bakbakan agad.
Boxer from Armenia winning the bout tonight. And now it's a 10 of Larry.
Larry Ibarra looks very slow. He's moving a lot. Albert Comey doesn't look too good. I think Ibarra might knock out pretty quickly. It's going to be an early run. Albert Comey stands too straight. He's supposed to bend a little bit.
You know, trust me, he doesn't look like a boxer who lasts.
I think Ibarra going to knock him out.
You know, Ibarra is very, very strict.
He's very swift. He's bouncing all around. He's got so much energy. Oh, nice.
So that was
a lovely jab.
Lovely right hand. And then he connects downstairs again with the combinations, working on, you know, the rib cage. Ibarra.
Funny enough, he moves like Pacquiao. The head movement and everything.
Wow, that was a solid left. It was straight to the chin. And a good one there also. To the chin again. And it's been double punishment for Saki. Yeah, sorry, Albert Comey.
Oh, he's landing cleanly.
Oh. That was a good left. And Saki retaliate. This time around it was, you know, right.
He has to stop the fight.
And referee has stopped the fight. He stopped the fight. You know, good call, good decision there, bro.
Because he was taking too many headshots.
And the experienced Roger Bano has stopped the fight. You know, the protection, the life of the boxer is paramount. From just what we saw.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 2 minutes and 45 seconds in round 1 of this rather 6-round super bantamweight contest, the winner by technical knockout, ladies and gentlemen, Larry Ibarra.
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video ngayon mga boss. Kaya kung ngayon ka palang napadpad sa ating munting channel, mas maganda kung nakasubscribe ka na para lagi kang ma-notify sa ating mga bagong uploads. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Mabuhay, ingat po, and God bless!